everyone, I'm Robin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wristlet out of an old pair of jeans and the pockets that come from it. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pocket purse out of an old pair of jeans, which I know we have plenty of lying around, and just some thread and a strip of denim that we also take from our pair of jeans. So what you're going to do first is remove the pockets from your jeans, which I've already done. You can see where all the thread has been ripped. All you're going to do is go in and lift up that seam and cut that with a pair of scissors or a seam ripper or anything that you have available, and do that all the way around until the pocket comes off. But you want to do that to both pockets because you need both to make a purse. So your next step is to take your pockets, once you get them off your jeans, and put them face to face. So the seams of your pockets are on the outside. Next, what you're going to want to do is take your needle and thread and just put a basic stitch all the way around your edges. If you don't know how to do a basic stitch, I will show you. You're going to take your thread and put it all the way through one side. Pull your thread tight. Scoot over just a hair and come back through the other side. And you're going to do that all the way around. Now that we've made it almost to the top here, I'm going to show you how to end your stitch so it does not come apart. So what I'm going to do here is kind of just take my needle and insert it into that first layer of fabric and pop it out the other side here. I'm going to take my needle and put it through this loop that I just created. And I'm going to pull it tight, just like that. And I'm going to break it loose. Now you're going to take your pockets and flip them inside out. So after you finish tying off your seams here, we're going to want to add a strip of fabric. You can use ribbon. I took full advantage of my old pair of jeans, and all I did was cut right up the seam and just up the length that I wanted. You can make this as long as you want. It can go over your shoulder. I've opted for a wristlet, so it'll just kind of dangle off my wrist and I can show off my wares. But we're going to attach this in the same manner that we did our pockets. We're going to want it to be right side in. So I just like to fold it over my seam a little bit. And you're going to use that same basic stitch to attach this. Because this is the strap, I'm going to go over this twice, so it has a very strong hold. If you're like me, you shove anything and everything inside of purses. And then we're just gonna tie that knot off like we did the first time. So we'll go through the fabric, pop it out, and then thread that needle through the loop you just created. Pull it tight, and it's done. So you're gonna wanna do that to the other side. You're gonna re-knot your thread. And place that right over the seam like we did the first one. So now that that's finished, you can turn your bag right side out. Pop those seams down. And there you have it, a wristlet where you can put anything and everything that you can imagine. Okay, so now that we're done, our finished product is here. You can see that I've added some bedazzles along the pockets and around my wrist strap, but you can feel free to customize yours as often as you want. If you guys like the video, be sure and give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe us. We do have new videos every week, so be sure and check back with us.